the right, serve the left, work the middle till it hurt a little.
Warning, please keep in mind that this is a pre-recorded video and I did not know what I was doing in this video, so please do not take notes. I repeat, please do not take notes. Hey guys, it's me, Maya Page, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. For this YouTube video, I am going to be doing a review of Creme Nature Intense Red 7.6 Rough Intense Hair. I am about to dye my hair red right now. Let me see if I can turn this light over here and show you guys what my hair is looking like. Y'all, this is what my hair color is. I don't know what it is. It's supposed to be blonde, but well, it's supposed to be like light brown, but I don't know. Kind of does look like brown, but I really was trying to go for blonde, but I picked up the wrong one and realized that today that it was the wrong box. But let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna turn this light off because it messes up my quality. And also, I hope everything's in here because I noticed that this box doesn't have tape on it. Usually whenever you dye your hair, it has tape on it. Just make sure it stays. So, if I'm learning right, the gloves should be in here. But it is today. Here's one glove. It came with one glove. Oh no, it came with two. I thought I was tripping. I was gonna say, who would take one glove? But never mind. So it comes with the argan oil. This is the conditioner treatment. It comes with the hair color gel. And then comes with the developer and oil. My mom said I need to put some gel on my ears, but I kind of just want to freeball it. So that's what I'm going with, freeballing it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So right now, I am putting this into the developer. Just mixing. Yeah, I'm struggling. Go in there. Now I'm trying to take this cap off. I can't do it. Oh, I just broke it. Oop. There we go. Okay. I'll pick that off the floor. Oh, it's not. I should have put the top on it real quick. Okay, so take my hair down. So we'll most definitely be doing. So let's go ahead and start. Yeah, I put gel in my hair when I was doing it, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna comb my hair because right now it's like a little, gelified. Gotta loosen up the gel. Can y'all see like? Okay. So I'm not a pro. So remember that. just free balling it. So how does it work when you free ball your hair? So when you free dye your hair, it works a certain way. I was told not to put it in your scalp, but once again, I am not a pro, and my eyes are burning. Why are my eyes burning? I'm just really just trying to get all of it. I'm just trying to see if I don't see anything too crazy. You know, like, there's a lot of hair fail videos. Like, they'll be losing hair so quickly. And if you're wondering why, I was just making sure I wasn't one of those. But my scalp does burn a little. Okay. This is not how you dye hair. And I do not suggest you to follow me because this is not right. I didn't even do any kind of protective. I'm putting it all into my scalp. Do not follow me. That feels so good though. I don't think I'm supposed to be scratching my hair when I gotta dye my hair, but it's so good. Do not follow me. Don't follow me. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. Do not follow me. I call on you. You told me you was all for me. I don't want to just use all the dye. So let's go ahead and go out. Let's just use all the dye. Right? What's in here? I'm calling you. You calling me. Let's talk about it. How it means. I'm calling you. You calling me. Yeah. You call on me. You call on me. I call on you. This is not how it's supposed to go. This is not how it's supposed to go. I call on you. You call on me. My forehead's dying. That's how it be. I call on you. You call on me. I'm scratching my scalp. Oh no, boo-hoo. Okay. I'm done. So I'm taking these gloves off. For some reason, my hands feel weird. I don't even know how long I had it in. I know usually you're supposed to keep it in for how long? Gosh, y'all. Freaking itches. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. So right now the timer is up. And now I'm about to wash this out using this conditioner and then using my normal shampoo conditioner. So I'll be back to you guys when I'm done. My outfit's gonna be changed, of course, but I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed it out and blow dry it. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like, it's really noticeable, but not through camera. Not through the camera. And I thought that this was gonna help. But it worked.